So let me show you step by step how to create a public Google Drive folder. So now if I open my Google Drive like this one, so I'll click on this my drive. After I go to my drive, so the next thing you should do now, I'll click on this where it says new and then go to new folder. So from this option, now I'll create the folder. I'll rename the folder as public folder. So you click on this create button. So now I create the folder. Now here is the folder. So if I want to make this folder to public, anyone can be able to access the folder. So I'll click on this, right click on the folder. After you right click, go to share again. So from this option, you click on this restricted, go to anyone with the link. So now anyone with the link of this folder now can be able to view the files inside the folder. So now copy the folder link and click on this done button. So if you add like files inside this folder and you share the link to someone, so anyone now if I click on this three dot, I'll go to incognito. Now I'll paste in the link that I copy. If I press enter, so as you can see now I can be able now to access the folder. So because there is nothing inside the folder, that's why I cannot be able to access. Here it says public folder. Here is the folder name. So that's it guys on how to create public folder in Google Drive. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.